The Hart-Ransom Charter Test Prep Screencast. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Hart-Ransom Charter website. Here you can select family resources and standards in testing. Once you arrive at this page, there are a few resources to focus on. Down at the bottom are helpful practice tests for the science for 5th, 8th, and 10th graders. And in the middle you have practice test answers. You'll want to download the practice test answers to help the child through the test. Scroll all the way to the bottom to scoring guides, and you'll want to select the 2014 Math and ELA. Although your child will be doing the performance tasks, today we're going to focus on just the Math and the ELA. Once selected, you'll see that you can scroll through the document, and you will see that the exact same questions are going to be on the answer sheet as the child will see on the actual practice test. You can obtain a copy of this from the school. You'll go back to the Hart-Ransom website, and now you're ready to take the test. Be sure that your student is with you at this point. You may also want to have the student have a scratch paper and pencil to do calculations as well. You will be logging in as a guest. So you'll click sign in, you'll select the grade level for your student, and then you select yes. Here you will select the test you're ready for. Right now we'll look at the math practice test. Later on, it would be good to go to the ELA practice test. Once you select that, you can go ahead and ignore this and click select once more. Again, you may ignore all this information and select yes, start my test. The first thing you'll see is the instructions. It gives you some tools that you might want to review with your student. Once you've done that, you will begin the test now. Once logged in, you will see your first question. The student will read the question carefully and be ready to choose an answer. You'll notice it's quite different from doing pencil and paper. The student actually has to click and interact with the test. So once they have the correct answer, they will select next to the next question. The other thing I want to draw your attention to is if you begin to train your student to scroll through each question, not only will they be more careful in reading the question, but they may notice interactive opportunities within the question that they can use to define words, for example. Here, when this lights up, I can actually click on it and get an actual definition for that particular word. Once the student is ready, have done their calculations, and they're ready to answer the question, they would go in and select the correct answers and click next. Congrats! Now I think you're ready to take the practice test.